A massive new aircraft has quietly entered testing, and it's not just designed to see farther, it's built to think, connect, and coordinate like never before. This is the KJ-3000, a platform that could act as a flying brain linking drones, aircraft, and long-range systems into one powerful network. In this video, we will discuss what makes it different, how it's being developed, and why it matters right now. Let's break it all down. The KJ-3000 represents a major shift in airborne system design, moving from traditional early warning aircraft toward a much larger and more capable platform. At its core, this aircraft is built on the Y-20B strategic transport airframe, powered by Ford WS-20 high-bypass turbofan engines. This choice is critical because it provides the size, endurance, and electrical output needed to support advanced onboard systems. A larger platform means longer mission duration, higher operating altitude, and the ability to carry more powerful radar and communication equipment, reflecting how China is advancing toward heavier, high-capability airborne systems. Recent observations have confirmed that at least 2 prototypes are already undergoing testing, with serial numbers 7821 and 7822 seen conducting flight activity near Xi'an production facilities in China. The appearance of multiple aircraft at this stage suggests that development has progressed beyond basic testing and is now focused on integrating complex subsystems. This includes radar performance, communication networks, and real-time data processing capabilities. The pace of testing also indicates that this project is being prioritized within a broader technological roadmap. The design of the aircraft offers further insight into its capabilities. A large rotating radar dome sits above the fuselage, indicating the use of a rotating active electronically scanned array system. Additional features, such as an aerial refueling probe, extend mission duration, while multiple external antennas and cooling systems highlight the energy demands of advanced electronics. What makes this platform especially significant is how it changes the role of airborne systems. Earlier aircraft were primarily focused on detection and tracking, acting as extended eyes in the sky. The KJ-3000, however, is built to handle far more data and remain operational for longer periods, enabling it to manage multiple streams of information simultaneously. The most important aspect of the KJ-3000 is not just its hardware, but the network it is designed to support. Modern systems are increasingly built around connectivity, where multiple platforms share information in real time. The KJ-3000 is expected to act as a central node within this structure, linking aircraft, drones, long-range systems, and maritime units into a unified network. At the heart of this concept is data fusion. The KJ-3000 collects information from multiple sources and combines it into a single, comprehensive picture. This allows different units to operate with shared awareness, improving coordination and efficiency. For example, one system may detect an object at long range, while another is positioned to respond more effectively. By connecting these systems, the aircraft ensures that information is shared instantly. This approach represents a fundamental change in how complex operations are managed. Traditionally, systems operated with limited coordination, often relying on delayed communication or incomplete data. With a connected network, actions can be synchronized more precisely, reducing delays and improving overall performance. The ability to share information instantly allows for faster decision-making and more accurate responses. Another important aspect is scalability. As more platforms are added to the network, the system becomes more capable rather than more complicated. The KJ-3000's role as a central coordinator ensures that information flows efficiently, even as the network grows. This makes it possible to integrate new technologies, including future aircraft and advanced unmanned systems, without disrupting existing operations. The aircraft is also expected to support long-range coordination, enabling operations across larger areas. Maintaining continuous awareness and communication, it helps ensure that different units remain connected even at extended distances. This expands the operational reach of the entire network. Ultimately, the KJ-3000 highlights a shift from individual performance to collective capability. Success is no longer determined by how advanced a single platform is, but by how well multiple systems work together. While the KJ-3000 clearly represents a significant advancement, it is important to distinguish between confirmed facts and unverified claims. The existence of multiple prototypes, the use of the Y-20B platform, and ongoing testing activities are all supported by available evidence. These details confirm that the program is real and progressing steadily, reflecting how China is accelerating development of high-end airborne systems within its broader technology roadmap. However, many of the performance figures associated with the aircraft remain uncertain. Reports suggest detection ranges of up to 1,000 kilometers for conventional targets and around 400 kilometers for stealth aircraft. These numbers are often cited, but have not been independently verified. Without official technical specifications, it is difficult to determine their accuracy or compare them to other systems. Understanding this uncertainty is essential because radar performance depends on more than just size or power. Factors such as signal processing, software algorithms, and system integration play a major role in determining effectiveness. A large radar array may provide potential advantages, but those advantages depend on how well the system is designed and implemented. Despite these unknowns, analysts generally agree that the move toward a larger platform with greater power capacity is a meaningful improvement. Increased electrical output allows for more advanced sensors, while extended endurance supports longer missions. These characteristics suggest that the KJ-3000 will offer enhanced capabilities compared to earlier designs. Another key consideration is the stage of development. The aircraft is still in testing, which means its final capabilities may evolve. Systems are being refined and adjusted as new data is collected, and the final configuration may differ from what is currently observed. This process is typical for advanced platforms and reflects the complexity of integrating multiple technologies into a single system. In this context, the KJ-3000 should be viewed as a platform with strong potential rather than a completed system. Its development highlights a clear direction toward more advanced, connected, and data-driven capabilities. The emergence of the KJ-3000 signals more than just a new aircraft. It reflects a broader shift toward connected, data-driven systems where coordination and information sharing take center stage. Instead of isolated platforms, future operations are built around networks that think, adapt, and respond as one unified system. This aircraft highlights how technology is evolving towards smarter integration rather than just raw performance. While many details are still developing, the direction is clear and carries major implications for the future. The real story isn't just the platform itself, but the system it enables. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, SpaceEyeNews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.